Welcome to Mr. V Teaching Math. In this session, we're going to look at adding and subtracting decimal integers, otherwise known as rational numbers. Unfortunately, there isn't really that easy of a way to do this. If you look at method 3 that I show in an earlier video of how to add and subtract integers, that may be useful somewhat in this kind of question. However, even that doesn't really make these questions a lot easier to do. I find the method that leads to the most understanding, not necessarily the easiest to do, but the one that leads to the most understanding is using tiles and a place value chart. So here we go. And if you haven't seen my earlier videos in which we learned how to use tiles, you need to go and look at them now. Let's begin with the starting number. Negative 0.022. So we need two negative numbers in the hundredths place value. Then we need two negative tiles in the thousandths place value. And this question is going to ask us to add positive decimal 3.1. So let's add our positive 3.1. That's 3/10 and 1/100. And as you can see, we have something of a problem. These two will cancel out quite easily, so that's easily taken care of. This, however, is not so easy to take care of. I'm going to have to borrow. Since this is a tenth, when I cut it up into hundredths, I'll end up with 10 more. So I need 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a little pile of 9 here. These two will cancel. However, I'm still not done. If I take one of these, there's still 8 in this pile. So there's 2, there's 8. One of these, we're going to move it over here. It's going to become a 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those two cancel, leaving me with the correct answer of positive 0.288. Now, that's not quite the end of it yet either. Let's look at another example. Once again, let's look at our starting number. Negative 0.03. So I need 3 negative tiles in the hundredths place value. And I'm going to take away positive 0.003. So from this column, from the thousandths, I'm taking away 3 positives. I don't have 3 positives. So I'm going to need some zeros. That's nothing. This is nothing. And this is also nothing. At the moment, this is still negative 0.03 because these are nothing. But I can take away my positives now. Leaving me with the answer of negative 0.033. And that is one method of adding and subtracting decimal integers or rational numbers.